Design basics. When starting out on any project, you need to bring together research and inspiration. A really fun and creative way of doing this is with a mood board. If you don't already use it, Pinterest is a brilliant online tool for this. You can collaborate with other people on it, and it saves links to the original sources and websites for later reference. If, however, you prefer a more tactile mood board, then you can achieve this by printing out imagery to make a physical collage. This can sometimes be more helpful, as you can add real materials, as well as samples and drawings of your own, and it's always great to display your ideas near where you're working for later reference. Once you've created your mood board, take time to respond to it. Write out a mind map of your thoughts, grouping things you like the most together. At this stage, no ideas are silly or unimportant. Also, do some sketches, being playful and loose, and try working in materials or colours that you have included on your mood board. For example, if you've chosen a lot of watercolour images, then try working in that medium. If you're not an expert at watercolours, that doesn't matter. You could use YouTube tutorials to learn some basic techniques. The thing you're trying to do is understand the medium, so that you can use it in your artwork. This is your time to experiment and play. So, your task: begin your mood board. Research some options and answer these prompts. The theme: what story are you telling? Is it historical, futuristic? Is it topical? Are you making an interactive artwork about climate change? Style: are there any existing artworks you're inspired by? These could be illustrations, paintings, or even different types of crafts. Colour scheme: think about how you want people to feel, and again, what colours will help convey your topic. I find it really helpful to search for colour palettes. Try searching for descriptive words as well as colours. For example, summer colour scheme. Materials: what will you make your final piece out of? And how will this material affect or influence your designs? Mood boards can be as expansive as you need them to be, and after making a general one for your initial ideas, you can make them for more specific elements, such as if you're creating a character. Here are some of the prompts that I used whilst creating the mood board for the Lost Librarian. The theme: we were covering witchcraft, the medieval era, libraries, Exeter's history, modern technology and contemporary life through our character Molly. Style: I looked at medieval artworks, witchcraft artworks, and contemporary lino cutting techniques and mark making, as well as more simplified graphic illustration and electronics and circuitry. Colour scheme: we knew we were working in wood, an engraved wood which gave me a base of natural tones. I wanted to continue this by using earthy and chalky colours. My illustrations were also influenced by the themes of the books themselves. Terracotta and olive green for herbalism, blue and an off-white for astronomy, and a rich emerald green and yellow for astrology, with gold and brown or wood tones for the special final book. Materials: as I said, the books were to be made in wood, so I also researched laser cutting and engraving techniques, as well as other artworks and mechanical sculptures manufactured this way. This gave me an idea of what textures and finishes I could achieve in this material. I took these elements from my mood board and spent a couple of days working in my sketchbook, drawing out elements that I admired to get a feel of how some of the patterns or marks may work in my designs and illustrations within the books.